Hi guys, and welcome to Chef Mooney coming to you from Mooney's Kitchen. Today's little recipe is going to be a chicken breast. I'm going to pan fry it. You can do this all in one pan. I'm going to use some porcini mushroom powder. I haven't used any of this before. I'm really excited to use it. I haven't even heard of it. I just stumbled across it in the local store. Now I'm not sure how the pink peppercorns are going to go with the porcini mushroom powder, but hey, let's give it a shot. I'm going to put some sage in there. It's going to be bloody delicious. Come on guys. Now for this recipe I'm going to be using 2 chicken breasts, medium size. I'm going to put a bit of pepper on there because that's what this is all about, pink peppercorns, and I thought with some cracked black pepper that's going to offer a little bit of crunch to it and also a bit of variation in the texture. A little bit of salt. Now I've left the skin on, you can take it off if you wish. I'm going to cook these now in my pan, skin side down so we get a nice texture. Touch of olive oil, get it nice and hot. Okay, chicken you want skin side down. Just let those cook now for a good couple of minutes. You want a nice crust on that side. We're going to season this side with a bit of salt and some cracked black pepper. Now I've got this on a medium-high heat. I just want to cook it and brown it probably for about 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, it's starting to get a little bit of colour now, so let's turn it over. Look at that beautiful seared, crunchy peppercorn. Gorgeous. Now these chicken breasts are quite thick, so I don't want to rush this cooking process, but I've got my colour on the top here now. I'm quite happy with that. And I'm going to toss in about 1/4 of a very finely diced onion and let that sweat through a little bit. And about 3 sage leaves. Okay, this smells absolutely fabulous. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add just a splash of white wine. Let that reduce down till the alcohol burns away a little bit. Guys, it smells absolutely fabulous in here. Now I'm going to add some pink peppercorns. About a tablespoon. These are pretty hot and they are, let me show you. Now I'm using the pink peppercorns in vinegar, so I'm going to toss those in, and I've got about a tablespoon there. Okay, so now I'm going to take my chicken breast out and I'm going to let that rest. Oh, it smells so good. Let that rest to one side. Put the pink peppercorns in there. Just reduce that wine a little bit more. Now I'm going to add my secret ingredient, which is the porcini mushroom powder. I've never seen this before. I'm so excited to try this. I'm not sure how much to use. I'm going to go, let's say, half a teaspoon of the porcini mushroom powder. That's going to give it another layer. And I'm going to cook it out because dry herbs sometimes are better if they're cooked out rather than just sort of dumped in. Just sort of cook this out a little bit. And then I'm adding around about half a cup of chicken stock. We want to bring this up to the boil and reduce it down by half. Okay, now my chicken stock is simmering away. I'm going to place the chicken breast back into the stock because I want to finish off cooking that chicken. I don't want it to be raw in the middle. And any juices that were on that resting plate. So there we have the beautiful sauce, or the makings of a beautiful sauce. Everything's just gonna, I didn't put any garlic in this because I don't want to overpower it. Right, so I'm gonna let that cook nice and slowly now until that liquid reduces a little bit more, and then we're gonna add some cream. Okay, our chicken is now cooked. We're gonna take it out and let it rest again. It's had about 15 minutes just gently simmering in that stock. So it's definitely cooked. And our stock has reduced nicely. We're going to add some cream now. And some fresh parsley. A little bit more fresh sage, about another 2 leaves. And then just let this reduce down until it's a nice thickness. I'm just going to turn the heat off now, and I'm going to cover it with some greaseproof paper and just let it rest. Okay, we're now ready to serve. Chicken breast is on, that beautiful sauce over the top. Just nap it over. And I'm going to serve mine with some rustic sauteed potatoes. I've just tossed a little bit of mint in there just to give it a bit of contrast and colour. And now it's time to cut into this chicken breast. Beautiful and tender. And slow cooking for a little while now. Just a little bit of that sauce on there. Pink peppercorn sauce. Really nice porcini mushroom powder, which I haven't used before. Lovely sauteed potatoes, nice and crunchy. There you go, everyone. Thank you very much for watching my channel. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Share it with your friends, and until next time, have yourselves a fantastic week.